Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my last unboxing for today. My name is Roxanne, and today we're going to be unboxing the Topbox Back to School box. This is a one-of box from Topbox Collective. I received my Topbox monthly box, my Luxe box, which is one box every 3 months, so it's a quarterly box. If you wait to the end, it'll show you some of my older videos, which won't be too old. But this was, I believe, $26 or $25. I can't remember. I bought it last month. It's still up. I'm not sure if it's sold out or not. This is, so like I was saying, this is a one-of box. They showed you everything that was in it. You can go to Topbox Collective, and you can see the different boxes that they have there. Right now they have a Halloween one up, and two Halloween boxes. One is a mystery box, which is about $12, and the other one, which is $26, and it has a couple masks and eyelashes and a really nice nail polish. Sorry, I didn't sleep very well last night, so it's catching up to me right now. I think my coffee's wearing off. So let's get to the unboxing of this. They come in these tubes, which are really nice. I haven't found a use for them yet. I have a bunch of them. My daughter likes them, but I'm hoping to, let's see if we can keep that on screen. No, I won't be able to. I'm hoping to find something to do with them. Okay, so this one does Topbox Back to School Essentials. So it does come with a little card and telling me what everything is. It doesn't give me a price for everything. They generally choose Canadian products to put in here. Not always, but oh gosh, I really like this box. So the first thing I see is dry shampoo. If you've watched any of my other videos, I love dry shampoos. I think I have 3 this month, and a hairspray. So you can never have enough. I also have a teenage daughter, so yes, we will be definitely using this. It's cake, the do-gooder. I have tried this before. I do like it. It's a lightweight dry shampoo for dark hair to blonde locks that add volume to hair without leaving a white residue behind. I have yet to see white residue from this. So this is one of my favorite, and it smells so good. The next thing is a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I've used this. There's people that swear by this. I don't notice any difference. I'm going to try it again and see if I like it or not. But I have so many primers on the go right now, so I may just have to put this into a little giveaway. I know it's super tiny, but at least you can try it. So there's that. GlamGlow. I do love their stuff. I'm a mask person, so I will use this. I have a bunch of face masks upstairs. It's crazy the amount of masks I do have. The GlamGlow Youth Mud Tinglexfoliate Treatment. A treatment that provides gentle resurfacing exfoliation that leaves skin smoother, brighter, and softer, resulting in immediate, camera-ready, glowing skin for men or women. I should maybe get my boyfriend to try that. I'm sure he'd like that. Hi, babe. So the other item I have here is the Beauty Crop Love You So Latte. Okay, so if you guys watched the previous video, I've already swatched this. It's on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to keep that one, and I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile. The Beauty Crop is nice. These are really, really nice eyeshadows, so I'll put that in there. So I have another nail polish. Like I said, I'm a nail polish addict. I probably won't use this. I have lots of pinks. This is really nice. So let's see here. Pretty Woman Nail Polish, a vibrantly colored nail polish that is cruelty-free and paraben-free. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway box. So one of the last item is an Estate Wet Lip Icing, a lip gloss that will leave your lips looking like icing on cake. Glaze it over your naked lips on your favorite lipstick for comfortable high gloss finish, vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. This is similar to like the other color I got, so it's got a nice gold flake in it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I got the sun shining in a horrible angle, so I think I might put that in as well. More masks. If you watched earlier, I've already explained what this mask is. Maskeraide Rose All Day Rose Gold Peel Off Mask. A peel off mask that is made with real 24 gold flakes that luminize, refine, and visibly shrink pores on your face. The rose gold peel off mask is cruelty free and paraben free. I love these masks. Maybe I will put this package in the giveaway. I'm not sure what's going to make it in there. When I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to put together a box, and I will do a nice giveaway for it. So if you want me to get to that 500 subscribers and win some of the stuff that I have been getting, please note I haven't done my Ipsy yet or my Lola box, so there could be more. I also have other things from other just last month's box that I could be putting in. I also did an unboxing for Luxie box, looked fantastic, and Glossy box this month. So I have a lot of stuff. So if you want to see any of these items in any of the videos I've done today and the BoxyLuxe, let me know what you would like to see in these boxes, and I can see what I can do. So anyway, if you want to hit subscribe below. I also have a friend giving away some items from BoxyLuxe, so when she's done hers, I'll probably do mine, and after I've reached the 500 subscribers. So if you head over to hers, I'm going to put the link in the video, and check out some of my other videos. Let me know what you think, and I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.